Welcome to TechWaveNow, where the future of technology meets the present, and we get to witness an incredible journey of human innovation and invention. Buckle up as we take you on a voyage through the latest tech gadgets and groundbreaking innovations that are set to redefine our world. Today, we are not just defining the tech trends that will shape the future, we are a part of them, and we are about to see just what that future holds. In our digital era, living an efficient life is what most people seek. And what better way than with tech gadgets designed to optimize our lifestyle? Among these is a wearable air purifier, a unique gadget designed to filter the air around you, so you no longer worry about inhaling impurities. Life has become more and more about being mobile, and the Anchor Grip is designed to guarantee this. This future tech gadget ensures your smartphone never falls out of your grip while maintaining comfort, giving you an uninterrupted interactive experience. We all have our smartphones glued to us, but now, the smartphone can be a part of your attire too, in the form of smart clothing. We are moving towards incorporating smart technology in our everyday attire, making our clothes more than just fabrics but an extension of our tech-savvy personalities. Self-driving is forcing its way into our world, and excitingly, vessels are not the only things that drive themselves. Meet the Super Broom Sweeper, a self-driving broom that keeps your living spaces sparkling clean, allowing you to attend to other matters. This is airtight evidence that the future has indeed come to stay. Timepieces have long been a symbol of elegance and style, but now, they are also a representation of our technological sophistication. Smartwatches are a groundbreaking evolution of traditional timepieces. By allowing seamless integration with our smartphones, smartwatches are making us all more in tune with our health, time management, and much more. Charge up your devices in style with renewable energy. Solar-powered chargers are revolutionizing the way we power our gadgets while on the go. Just by harnessing the power of the sun, you can keep your devices charged and never be disconnected from the world. Music has gone far beyond just having great an audio experience. With smart speakers, you can control your entire smart home system, make calls, set alarms, ask questions, and do much more, all through simple voice commands. Introducing the world's first 3D food printer, an innovation in the culinary world that brings art, technology, and food together. With this device, you can print your food in any shape, helping automate and revolutionize food production. Augmented reality has pushed the boundaries of our experiences, and smart goggles are taking this to another level. Not only immersive gaming experiences, but these smart goggles also have applications in industry, medicine, education, and more. As the world grows more connected, IoT devices' importance is increasing exponentially. From smart locks and smart bulbs to smart curtains and beyond, these devices are working together to make our homes more efficient, comfortable, and secure. Today, your garden can be as smart as your house, thanks to robotic lawn mowers. Fully automated and operating quietly, these machines can keep your lawn looking neat and beautiful without you having to lift a finger. Virtual reality is taking us to places we thought we could only dream about. With VR headsets, you can experience everything from far-off travel destinations and thrilling adventures to immersive storytelling and detailed product demonstrations. Drones are no longer just a hobbyist's plaything. They are used in agriculture for crop monitoring, in construction for site inspections, in the film industry for breathtaking aerial shots, and in myriad other industries. The type of travel an individual wished for often depended on physical limitations. However, with the Hyperloop rapidly providing an innovative and exhilarating mode of transport, the concept of achieving long distances in a quick time doesn't seem so far-fetched. The advent of live translation earbuds ensures that language doesn't become a barrier, enabling seamless communication between individuals who speak different languages. 3D printing is quickly revolutionizing manufacturing. Companies can now produce customized products with intricate designs and complex geometries more quickly and cost-effectively than traditional manufacturing methods allow. Biometric technology has taken a significant leap in the tech world. From personalized security measures to innovative healthcare tech, biometrics is helping to secure our lives and enhance our well-being. Robotics is no longer a thing of science fiction. Robots have become an integral part of industries such as manufacturing and healthcare, where they are used to perform tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or require a high level of precision. Quantum computing is the future of data processing. By leveraging the principles of quantum physics, quantum computers are expected to revolutionize industries that require complex data analysis, such as finance, healthcare, and artificial intelligence. Genetic engineering is set to transform the fields of medicine, agriculture, and energy. Innovations in gene editing technology are opening up new possibilities for treating genetic diseases, creating disease-resistant crops, and developing biofuels. Blockchain technology is redefining the traditional ways of secured data storage and transaction. Its decentralized nature and cryptographic principles make it an ideal platform for applications that require high levels of security and transparency. Artificial intelligence is making machines more intelligent and capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the sole domain of humans. AI has applications across industries, from customer service and marketing to healthcare and finance. Space technology is driving innovations on Earth. Technologies developed for space exploration, such as satellite imaging, are being used to address global challenges, including climate change, disaster response, and resource management. Nanotechnology involves manipulating materials at the atomic and molecular level. These tiny technologies can have a big impact on fields such as medicine, electronics, and energy, offering solutions to some of the world's most pressing challenges. Smart cities are leveraging technology to improve the quality of life for their citizens. From connected infrastructure to digital governance, smart cities are shaping the way we live and interact with our urban environments. Cognitive computing is a subset of AI that uses advanced algorithms to learn, think, and process data. With the ability to understand, reason, and learn, cognitive computing systems are engineered to excel at handling complex, large-scale data sets. Edge computing is revolutionizing data processing by bringing processing closer to the data source. It is particularly valuable for applications that require real-time data analysis, such as the Internet of Things, IoT, and immersive technologies like virtual reality and augmented reality. Wearable healthcare devices such as fitness trackers and smart health monitors are empowering individuals to take control of their health. Real-time data collection and analysis help users to make informed decisions about their lifestyle and well-being. Advanced security systems, powered by innovations such as biometrics, AI, and blockchain, are providing unparalleled protection for individuals and organizations. These sophisticated systems are continuously evolving to stay ahead of emerging security threats. Innovations in clean energy technology, such as solar panels, wind turbines, and energy storage systems, are driving the transition towards a sustainable energy future. These technologies offer a reliable and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional fossil fuels. Remotely controlled vehicles, such as drones and ROVs, remotely operated vehicles, are transforming industries ranging from agriculture and construction to maintenance and surveillance. These vehicles enable better visibility, accessibility, and safety in challenging environments. Disruptive innovations are radically changing traditional industries and business models. The music industry, for instance, has transformed from physical media to digital downloads and streaming services, and is continually evolving with the introduction of new technologies.